Good morning student. Today we will continue our chapter 8 equation. Till now we use simple method, then transposing method. Now today we will discuss how to convert a word problem into an equation and how to solve it. See here, any word problem, suppose we take a number increased by 5 is 30. Then how to solve this statement, this word problem into an equation and how to find out the value. In this question what we have to do, we don't know about the number. It means we have to find out the value of number, solution of number. So we don't know, then we write down, let a number is equal to x. Let a number is equal to x. A number increased by 5. It means अगर हम इस नंबर में 5 ऐड कर दें, is whenever you have any helping verb in statement, it means put equal sign is 30. So that is equal to 30. The Latin number is this, then we can write down according to statement x increased by 5 is 30. It means this is our equation. In the last previous lecture we will discuss one problem like this. There was no equal sign, it means that was only algebraic expression. Now this time we have both part LHS and RHS and have equal sign in middle. It means this is an equation. Now solve this equation using transposing method, or you can do manually. It depends on you. I am using transposing method here. This is plus 5. If I change the side here, it means it become 30 minus 5. That is x is equal to 25. It means so a number is equal to 25. It means our answer is 25. So with proper statement we will do these type of questions. Now see another example. Quotient of a number and 5 is 20. Quotient of a number and 5 is 20. It means numerator and denominator. Whenever we want to find out the quotient, it means it is a division problem, or in division problem we need numerator and denominator both. So what is the numerator? Firstly, numerator number given to you, it means it is a numerator, and this one is denominator. Now see, we don't know about the number, then same thing, what we write down, let a number is equal to x. Now according to statement, we want to convert this problem into an equation. So we write down according to statement a number x and 5. Quotient of a number and 5 is equal to 20. Now simple transposing method we can use. This is in division. It means when you multiply it, it will come in multiplication. Then it become x is equal to 100. So we can say, so a number is equal to 100. So this time we will solve the word problem. Another example, Suppose I write down 5 times of a number. We are again using 6 times of a number is 24. Find a number. And your question is find a number. Same thing, firstly we write down in solution, let a number is equal to, you can take anything else also, so I take here y, let a number is equal to y. Now according to statement, 6 times of a number. In 7th chapter you already see that times means we have to do multiplication. 6 times multiply of a number. Number is what? Y is equal to 24. It means we want to find out the value of y. Then see, this is in multiplication. Then when you change the side, then this 6 come into division. Then y is equal to 24 by 6, that is equal to 4. It means what is the value of y? So we can say, so a number is equal to 4. So this type we will solve our word problems into, firstly we change into an equation and then after do solve and find the value of unknown variable. Some another example we take from your book. Half the length of Janice's garden width. If twice the number of books in the library is, if twice the number of books in library is 5200, how many books are there in library? How many books are there in library? So here we not write down let a number, we write down that let the number of books in library, whichever thing we want to find out, we will assume that thing. So what we assume here, let number of books in library is equal to x. We don't know, so we take x. Now same thing, according to statement, see here, twice the number of books, twice means 2 multiply, thrice means 3 multiply, 4 times also 4 multiply. तो यहाँ twice, once means 1 time, twice means 2 times, thrice means 3 times. So here twice given, it means we have to do 2 multiply. Number of books, how many number of books in library? X. Twice of x is means equal sign 50 to 100. Now solve the equation for the value of x. 50 to 100, here 2 is in multiplication, means here coming division. Now do multiply, 2 2s are 4, 1 12, 2 6 are 12, then 2600. It means in the last we write down, so we can say number of books in library is equal to 2600. Now with proper statement, do complete these type of question. Now your exercise 8C complete. You can see examples and solve your exercise 8C from your book. Now see 8D exercise. What is given to you in 8D? Till now very simple problems we discussed. But if we want to sum more type of problems that we are doing in a single step, that plus change into minus, minus change into plus, multiplication change into division and division change into multiplication. But now we will discuss how to solve an given equation in 2 steps. Suppose it is given to you 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. So here if you see properly, their variable is not alone. यहाँ वेरिएबल अकेला नहीं है बल्कि 2 times we are taking 2 times of x. Then how to solve? But in the last we need the value of only x. Now see how to solve. 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. Firstly same thing, वेरिएबल के साथ में जो भी टर्म है फर्स्टली वी सोल्व देम. कांस्टेंट टर्म जो है here plus 5, it means firstly we solve this plus 5. There is a constant term, this is also constant term, it means firstly we change the side of it, plus 5 change into minus 5. Now 2x is equal to 2, but we need the value of only x, or if you see here 2 is in multiplication of x. It means if we want to find out the value of x, here is in multiplication, then here come in division, then x value is equal to 1. Simple, we are doing 2 steps. First step subtraction and second step division. So in 2 steps we are solving our equation. Another example, see. Suppose it is write down x by 3 minus 5 is equal to 11. How we identify that we will do this one in 1 step or 2 steps? See, if x is alone, then there is no need to take the next step. We directly can find out the value of x. But in with x, if we have some constant value also, it means we have to solve this thing also. Then what is the first step? Variable term को छोड़ो एक बार, see the next term. In the next term, if you see properly, there is minus 5. It means what should be our first step? That this minus 5 change into the plus 5. Then do x by 3 is equal to 11. When you change it, it becomes plus 5. X by 3 is equal to 16. Now see second step, this x variable 3 is in division. It means for finding the value of variable, we have to do multiplication of 8. Then x value is equal to 48. So this type we solve 2 step problems in an equation. Suppose another example, if we take 3t plus 25.8 is equal to minus 4.2. What is the first step? 3t. This plus here will come and change into negative. Minus 4.2 minus 25.8. Both are minus. It means minus minus plus. But with the result we take sign minus. So do here 25.8 plus 4.2. 8 over 2 10. 1 carry here. 5 plus 4 9 or 1 10. Then 1 carry here. It becomes 30. Then it becomes 3t is equal to 30. First step we done. In second step we check that with t there is a multiplication by 3. So it means when you solve this step, then this 3 will come in division to the right hand side. Then t become 10. It means what is the value of this unknown variable? That is equal to 10. One more example, see. There is no need that always unknown variable will be in the left hand side. Maybe it is in right hand side also. Then procedure is same, doesn't matter. This same equation, this is an equal sign. So if you want to solve always this unknown variable into the LHS side, then we change the side, there is no problem. As it is, we write down 6 plus 11x, then equal sign, and this 105 here. Now it becomes the same question. This 6, nothing sign, it means it is plus sign. Then this plus 6, when you change the side, this 11x has positive sign, 105 minus 6. This become 99. Now here 11 is in multiplication, then it will come in division, then our x value is equal to 9. So this type we solve the equation in 2 steps. When 2 steps, whenever it has some constant term or whenever it has also some multiply or division operation also. Then there will be 2 steps. One step may be addition or subtraction. Second step may be multiplication or division. But if our equation like this, then this 5 is there are 2 methods to solve it. One method, if you see, this 5 is divided with whole equation. It means firstly we have to solve this divided by 5. Till now, which examples we solved, we done firstly addition, subtraction, then multiplication, division. But in these type of questions, see, this 5 is in the division of whole. It means firstly this 5 here is in division, it means here will come in multiplication. Then x plus 3 is equal to 45. Then x is equal to 45 minus 3. X is equal to 42. One method is this. What is the second method? In this type of problem, firstly you separate it. That you write down x by 5 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 9. Then x by 5. Here this plus now we will solve minus. What is the LCM of this? 1 and 5. Or if you don't know about the LCM things, then see, if you solve it, 5 6 are 30, it means 0.6. Then x by 5 is equal to 9.0, 0.6, 10 minus 6, 4, then here remaining 8. then x is equal to 8.4 multiply by 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40, then 42. This type we will solve this problem. So, see properly which type of question given to you. How we have to apply the step, firstly addition, subtraction or then multiplication, division, or we have to apply firstly multiplication, division or then addition, subtraction. It depends on your pattern of an equation. In next lecture we will discuss about the word problem related to this type of question. Thank you. Complete your 8C exercise and 8D, these type of equation problems. Word problem we will discuss in our next lecture. Thank you, student.